Hello guys, my name is Pavan and welcome to my YouTube channel Building Your Dreams. I'm so much happy today because presently our Building Your Dreams channel have crossed more than 270 subscribers and we have reached more than 15,000 views. Thank you for all your support and I'm so much happy that my knowledge is reaching towards many kind of students. I'm really happy for that. And in future, if you want any kind of topic that I have to introduce to my videos, kindly mention in the comment box, so surely I can help you out. And so that's all. Thank you so much that I would like to introduce from my side towards you. So now let's move towards our video. Thank you. Bonjour guys. So today we'll be doing 44 questions from the Match the Following, and all these questions is basically taken from previous 10 to 12 question papers. And as you guys know very well, the fact that most of the questions for the board exam in French, it's normally a replica, or it's basically a repeated questions from the previous 10 to 12 question papers. And I'm really grateful for all your support, for all my subscribers as well as for all my viewers for constant support and pushing this channel into huge success. I'm really grateful towards you. So now let's get started. So now today we'll be discussing the ninth main. The ninth main is nothing but réaliser le phrase A, ou phrase B. So it's basically that match the following. A column should basically match towards B. And it's very much important that you write down the questions for your board exam. I meant for your match the following, it's very much important you write the questions. Along with it, write correct side of answer in the side of B. So most of the students do a mistake of writing only the answer for the match the following, but please don't do it. As you know that the French paper is one of the easiest paper in which you can cover up very fast, as well as you wouldn't be taking as much time comparing to other subjects. So keeping this in your mind, make sure that French paper when you're writing, write down the questions. Okay, so now in the Match the Following, I'll be telling in detail when we go up to the other mains, but presently understand for the Match the Following, you are supposed to write down questions in French, and it is very much must. And as you all know that this is 5 marks main, in which each question carries 1 mark, so altogether that is 5 marks. And it's better and it is very much important to understand that most of the questions are basically asked from 1 to 5 chapters. In rare case they can even ask questions from outside, so it's okay that if you have not read 1 to 5 chapter in much depth, you can also still attend the Match the Following. If you understand the meaning of it, if you are able to connect towards it, if you are able to use the tricks which I'm going to tell you in this video, you can surely help you out. So all the 44 questions which I'm going to give you now, as well as which we are going to discuss now, kindly revise it. So revision, most of the students ask me, Pavan, how am I supposed to revise? Or sir, how am I supposed to revise? So basically try to understand the factor that for the revision you are supposed to use an important technique. For example, if I'm going to teach you now, after my explanation, write down the notes. Do not write it along with my explanation. So key number 1, as soon as I complete explanation, write down the notes, pause the video, write down the notes. I will be giving time for you that, so don't worry about that. Secondly, after explanation of my video, once you write it down, pre-read it. That means read it once again, and then try to say the answer without seeing. Okay, try to say the answer without seeing. That's called revision. Please don't do pre-reading. So most of the students, you do pre-reading. It's like they open the notes every day, they start reading from first. Don't do it. So as soon as next time when you're trying to study, look at the questions and try to say the answer without seeing. That can surely help you out, guys. So most of the students which I am teaching to the same method, they are basically progressed in their exams because of only this kind of technique. So as soon as after that kind of revision, as soon as you read my concepts and then you try to understand, and then once you do the revision, if you're able to say the answers without seeing, it would be great. And then next day morning, try to revise the same concept, and weekend, monthly first, like every month first, try to revise the every concept. So every weekend try to put a test upon yourself. So most of my batch students, I do the same thing. I give them the test on Sunday basis, and then every month I'll be for example, if this month they have completed Match the Following as well as question answers, so Saturday, Sunday they'll be having the test, and next month starting again, I'll be putting all the tests continuously. So try to do as much as test series. It can surely help you out. So try practicing most of the model question papers, it can surely help you out. So this is a beautiful tip which I would like to share. And so if you have any doubt regarding the concepts which I'm going to discuss now, kindly comment below so I can surely help you out. Do not worry, I'm there for you guys, so don't worry. I know that most of the colleges students are facing difficulties with French classes because there wouldn't be teacher, or there can be other kind of problems. So don't worry about that. So but presently, whatever concepts I'm giving you now, if you are able to revise it, if you are able to do it constant dedication with your heart as well as mind, it can surely help you out, guys. Do not worry about it. So now let's get started. Okay, so the first question, it's over here, is Le Magazine Geo Interroge. Okay, so Le Magazine Geo Interroge is Les Trentaine. The answer is Les Trentaine. So they are basically saying over here, whom did the magazine Geo interview? So the answer is the magazine Geo interviewed Le Trentaine, the 30s. They interviewed the 30s. Okay, so next one is Vous voulez un café? Vous voulez un café? The second question is what? Vous voulez un café? That means you want a coffee. So the answer is, so make sure that you match up. So try to by heart this concept. That would be a little more easy because most of the questions will repeat. If you know the key point, no? So if they are asking you for the exam, Le Magazine Geo Interroge, so you know that the Magazine Geo, obviously they'll interview the Le Trentaine because it's even there in your first chapter. You can also understand it. Even though if you have not read it, try to understand it now. Try to connect it now. Okay, so the answer is non merci, nous venons d'un boy. So that is no thank you, we just drank it. Third question, il a la joue en flea. He has a swollen cheek. Il a la joue en flea. So il a la joue en flea means what? He has a swollen cheek. And the answer is il a une carie dentaire. That means he has a tooth decay. Il a une carie dentaire. That means he has a tooth decay. Fourth question, on peut acheter des vêtements de marque. We can buy the clothes from market. On peut acheter des vêtements de marque. We can buy the clothes from the market. So in your written exam point of view, if you're not able to, if your pronunciation is not coming correct, it's okay. It's totally fine because make sure that at least your spellings come properly. It's okay. I know that most of you have started studying French from the first PUC and second PUC. Some people will be lagging out of your basics of the first PUC. It's okay. But make sure that if you're right connecting towards the words, or as well as write in French, it's very much important that you write in practice. That's very much important. So kindly keep this practice very much and try to study French at least alternative days. Try to study daily, that would be great. If you're not able to do that, at least do alternative days. Put Sunday, like every Sunday, make sure that you write text. Okay? So now, let's look up on the fourth one. On peut acheter des vêtements de marque. That means we can buy the clothes from market. So other kind of how you're going to relate is chez la déstockure. That means at the goods. So one point of view, one person is saying that, okay, why don't we buy from the stock? It can be stock of certain shop. You can relate it and you're supposed to write it. Now, fifth question. Ils consultent les cités des grands journaux français. They consult the sites of big major newspapers in French. So they are basically saying that in French, the big major sites are which can be related. So they consult the sites of big major newspaper in France. So the answer is qui existe uniquement sur la toile, which exist only in the web. Yes, obviously most of the sites exist only in the web. So that you can basically relate it. So as soon as you complete the first 5, just try to revise it. Try pausing out this video. So now you can just pause out this video and then write down these notes and then try to revise it once again. So as soon as after my class finish, revise it once again, and then early morning also try to revise it. So make sure that you have this revised pattern. It can surely help you for your board exam. Especially for French, revision plays a very important role, or it will be truly tough for you to study. Okay, so normally for my classes, for when I teach your students, I make sure that they revise all together as soon as after the class, before the class, and the constant revision I'm giving to them, that is basically helping them. So as a students, those of you who are referring this video, make sure that you too follow the same pattern. So guys, this is next set of 5 questions. So now let's go on to the first one. Dans la presse écrite, in the written press. So dans la presse écrite is nothing but in the written press. The answer is les caricaturistes ridiculousement et commentent l'actualité. It's like cartoonist ridicules and comment on the news. Very simple, right? In the written press, you know that in the written press, basically certain politicians are being basically commented in terms of cartoonist characters, and you can see even normally even in our Indian newspaper, similar way in French also it still exists. In the written press, cartoonist ridicules and comments on the news. It can be on great personalities, it can be on film actors, it can be on ministers. It still happens in France, that they're trying to highlight over here. So dans la presse écrite, it's nothing but les caricaturistes ridiculousement et commentent l'actualité. So it's like cartoonists ridicules and comment on the news. So as soon as you find presse écrite, what will you do? You'll find out caricaturiste. So it's normally related. This only repeats most of the time, and these are one of the repeated questions for your exams. So now second question. Chez les Dixhuit or Wang Sang on apprécié particulièrement les rangs. So it's like among 18 to 25 years old, among the 18 to 25 year olds, the answer is we particularly like the rat. That means that there is a trend in France that among 18 to 25 years they love rat because they think that it's very intelligent, it's very funny, and if you read on the chapters you can get much connectivity, but still it's okay, you can connect towards it if you're able to understand now. So the next one is, third one is a pole. A pole is nothing but a hen. A pole donne the oops. A hen gives the eggs. How easy it is, very simple, right? Next one, fourth one. Le journal sportif, the newspaper sports. That means the newspaper sports is lucky. So the newspaper sports, like it's like they're basically saying that the sports newspaper is nothing but the team, l'équipe. So that sports newspaper is called what? L'équipe, the team. Fifth one, les caricaturistes, the cartoonist. Plantu, Kabu, A Shark. So you know that our Indian cartoons like Tom and Jerry, so there are different cartoons like in Indian which still exist now, but similar way in France they also have the famous cartoon characters like Plantu, Kabu, A Shark. Okay, just a quick recap sheet of what we studied now. Dans la presse écrite, les caricaturistes ridiculousement et commentent l'actualité. So in the written press, cartoonists ridicules and comment on the news. Second one, chez le Dixhuit Wang Sang. So it's like among 18 to 25 years. Obviously, as soon as you find 18 to 25 years, the answer is what? Les rangs. We particularly apprécie particulièrement les rangs. We particularly like the rat. Third one, a pole. A pole is nothing but a hen. Answer is donne the oops, gives the egg. Fourth one, Le Journal Sportif, the sports newspaper is nothing but l'équipe, the team. The fifth one, Les caricaturistes. Les caricaturistes is nothing but the cartoonist, and the answer is Plantu, Kabu, A Shark. So now let's look upon the next 5 questions, which is very important. Les sites des journaux, the newspaper sites. Which are the famous newspaper sites over there? Rue 89 ou Media Citoyen FN. Okay, so these are the famous newspaper sites. So if they're asking Les Cités des Journaux, it's Rue 89 ou Media Citoyen FN. Do not forget it. Keep this in your mind. Record it. Okay, and try to revise this. Okay, as I said, revise it continuously. Second one, Nicolas Sarkozy is nothing but bling bling. Okay, Nicolas Sarkozy, bling bling. Third one, La Bande Dessinée. La Bande Dessinée, the famous comics are Asterix et Obelix. So which are the famous comics in France? It's nothing but Asterix et Obelix. Fourth question, Les Football, sport number 1 est français. That means in France, the famous number 1 sport is nothing but football. So anywhere you find football, what will you search for? Sport number 1 in France. So you can also study in crosswise. See, in maths unfolding, it's not required that you have to study the spelling. You must just know the format which we are going. It's like they can also ask sport number 1 of France in this side, and they can mix up the questions and they can ask identify which one is this or match the following. Obviously you can understand that. So it's nothing but sport number 1 in France is always football. Fifth one, Charlie Hebdo is a journal. Charlie Hebdo, a journal. Okay. Next one, la télécommande. La télécommande is nothing but la object qui permet de zapper. That means the object which telecommande is a device or an object which basically permits us to zap. Next one, second one is over here because we are going to the next third set of the questions. So now relais c'est un sport automobile. It is a motor sport. It is a motor sport. Rally, it's nothing but c'est un sport automobile. It is a motor sport. Very simple. Now, third one, Steffi Graf était. So Steffi Graf était is joueuse de tennis. Okay, so Steffi Graf was who? She was a great tennis player in France. So that they are trying to highlight over. Steffi Graf était joueuse de tennis. That means she was a great tennis player. Fourth one, le rat. Le rat is nothing but the rat. A intelligent, a jour. That means that it's very intelligent and very playful. That's what they're trying to highlight over here. It's very intelligent as well as it is very playful. That's what it's highlighted over here. Jean Nouvel, le Prix Pritzker, the premier architect. Oh, he's the first greatest architect. He have also received the Prix Pritzker award. It's a famous award given for the architects in France. Architecte France, you can see over here. See now, as soon as I've done with my explanation, you can just basically that each set I complete, it's like 1 to 5. Kindly pause it and write it down. It's very important. Okay. So the next question, La Cuisine Créole. La Cuisine Créole is nothing but a originaire the Antilles. So the kitchen. The cuisine is nothing but the kitchen is from the West Indies. I think they're basically referring to the tradition. So the next one, second one, Le Président Franco Mitterrand, Tonton. So the President Franco Mitterrand, his surname or his nickname is also known as Tonton. Okay, whereas we studied before, if you can just recall, Nicolas Sarkozy is nothing but Bling Bling. Okay, La Cuisine Créole is nothing but a originaire the Antilles is from West Indies. Second one, Le Président Franco Mitterrand is nothing but Tonton. Okay, Tonton. Franco Mitterrand a surnom. So see, they can give just lyrics. First kind of question you can see over here, Le Président Franco Mitterrand. They can also ask other kind of question over here is like Franco Mitterrand a surnom. That means what's his surname or what's his nickname. Surnom is nothing but nickname. So it's nothing but Comme Tonton. Comme Tonton is his nickname. Fourth question. So anywhere you find Franco Mitterrand, the first answer which should come in your mind is Tonton. So if you're finding Nicolas Sarkozy, what will come in your mind? Bling Bling. So just try to by heart this format. It's very easy to. It's nothing much very complex to by heart because you already know the meaning. So practice on. Keep on revising on this. It can surely help you guys. Trust me. Fourth question. The Français estiment कि French believes that parler de argent est tableau. That means French believes that talking about money is taboo. Okay. So the Français estiment कि the French believes that what do they believe? They have just one kind of belief which they have mentioned in your textbook is nothing but parler de argent est tabou. Talk about money is, the meaning is nothing but talk about money is taboo. See, I've written certain questions. See, in pencil mark, no, it's basically it will be very easy for you while writing down the concepts which I've just taught, So you have to write down the English word because in certain days when you revise and if you forget the meaning, don't sit and search on Google. I've already mentioned it over here. It will be little more easy for you. And guys, if you do like this video, please do like it. Okay. So now the fifth question, Le Prix Pritzker A. So now that's nothing but Le Prix Pritzker. We have already studied. This is a famous award given for the architect. The answer is La plus haute distinction de l'architecte, the highest honor of architect. Famous, remember always, it's quite a repeated question, it's very important. Okay, next question. Now let's look up on the next set of questions. Le NAC, you there. What is the full form of NAC? Nouveau Animaux, the company. It's a beautiful chapter. You are supposed to read in French. If you're able to, if you have already read the chapter, you can connect to it. Or it's okay. Try to understand it. Nouveau Animaux, the company. Okay, now in the second one, Channel A, Uwe Saint Laurent Saint. Okay, so Channel and Uwe Saint, here's the two. They are basically who? That's what it's highlighted over here. First one, Channel and Uwe Saint are les couturiers les plus célèbres, the most famous dressmakers. Who are they? So they are basically the Channel and Uwe Saint Laurent are one of the most famous dressmakers. So les couturiers les plus célèbres, celebrities, or celebrities, yeah, that also can be considered over here. Next one. Now let's look upon the continuation of this main, that is third one. La Trentenaire de Boulevard. Boulevard, that is nothing but Plateau de Biens Culturels. Okay? The theatre of Boulevard is filled with many cultural goods. La Theatre de Boulevard is nothing but Plateau de Biens Culturels. That is nothing but many cultural goods. Good. So next one, fourth one. Gilles et une chaîne. Gilles et chaîne. That's nothing but Gilles is a chain. Très apprécié de. You can basically see over here 35 and 49. Just write down the numbers in French so that it can also help you for your pronunciation. Plus for written French it can also help you. Okay. So now is very popular among 35 to 45 years. So Gilles et une chaîne. That's nothing but Gilles is a chain. Très apprécié de 35-49 ans. It's basically very popular among, Gilles is very popular among 35 to 49 years, whereas we studied before, no, 18, the age of 18 to 25 is very popular. They buy mostly that. Okay. Now fifth one, les acres sont. The acres are les beignets, the moor, the crevettes, that means the cold and ship donuts. The acres are nothing but the cold and ship donuts. It's very beautiful. Les acres sont, the acres are les beignets, the more, the crevettes, that means the cold and chip donuts. It's very beautiful. Okay. Now let's look upon the next pair. Okay. En ligne, les Français achètent. Okay. So you can see over here online, the French buy. En ligne, les Français achètent. Online, the French buy. Exclusivement, elle ajoute. Exclusively for youth. So online, the French buy exclusively for youth. Basically, dress kind. So it's basically dress. If you relate to this chapter, it's basically a dress. So online, the French buy dresses. There one chapter in that. En ligne, les Français achètent. Online, the French buys exclusivement à la jeunesse. Okay, so now let's look upon this main continuation, which was second one. La prétendue est. La prétendue est is nothing but remplit, toujours, les selles. That is nothing but the prétendue is always fills the room. So the prétendue is always fills the room. So anytime you find it, la prétendue, it's nothing but toujours la selle. It's always fills the room. Third one. Il a une carie dentaire. He has a tooth decay. Il va chez la dentiste. He goes to the dentist. Il a une carie dentaire. Nothing but he has tooth decay. Il va chez la dentiste. He goes to the dentist. How beautiful, right? Fourth one. Il fait la natation. That means he goes swimming. Answer is à la piscine, at the swimming pool. So he goes swimming at the swimming pool. So anywhere you find natation, it's nothing but piscine. Somewhere connection will be there. It will be very easy for you. Just keep on practicing what I've given, because most of the questions which I've given you now, it's constantly repeated for exam. That's the reason I'm highlighting over here. Il fait la natation. He goes swimming. And the answer is à la piscine. That's nothing but at the swimming pool. Fifth one. Il aime la viande. That means he likes meat. Il aime la viande, un chien, a dog. He likes the meat, a dog. Il aime la viande. It's un chien. Or they can give any kind of food item. You can relate towards it. Okay, if you are able to understand it, it can be very easy for you. Okay. So now, the next set of questions On l'a acheté. Tu la jure. So once it's done, each main once it's done, just pause it and then write it down. Okay, now I'm just going in a flow because you can see my notes. You can pause it anywhere. And then after completing 5 questions, pause it. Just try to recall and then go to the next one. It will be very easy for you. Okay, so now I hope still now it's great for you. It is clear for you still now. And if you're having doubts, kindly comment it. I can surely help you out. Do not worry about anything. Okay, so now let's look upon the next set of questions which is constantly repeated. First one. On l'a acheté, tu le jure. Buys it every day. Le journal. Buys it every day. It's nothing but the journal. You can connect it every day. Buys every day. Newspaper, journal, magazine. Okay, second one. Rue. U89. That's 89. 89. Okay, 89 basically is nothing but in French, 89. It's good that French students know the numbers. Some of them do not know it still now, but make sure that you try to study it. Rue 89 is nothing but what? 89. So normally I give the important step which student must study. Basically when they come to my classes, the first thing which I make sure that the basics are strong, I start teaching them on that basics and only then I'll be proceeding with the next. Okay, so on that basis, so I also want you guys, whoever is watching this video, make sure that you too have your strong basics. If you're finding any difficulty in certain words, write in a separate new book and try to recall it. Okay, that means revise it. It can surely help you out. Okay, Rue 89, 89 est a cité du journal. Rue 89, that's 89, is a cité du journal. It is a famous site, the site of journal. Rue 89, we have already revised it. It is a site of journal. Third one, Plantu, Kabu, et Chat. That's nothing but sont les caricaturistes. That means Plantu, Kabu, et Chat. It's nothing but are the caricaturists. The cartoonists, we have already studied it. Now, the fourth question, Les Musées du Quai Branly est à Paris. That means the Quai Branly Museum is at Paris. Les Musées du Quai Branly. That means the Quai Branly Museum is at Paris. Fifth question, Les Miguel et les Iguanes. That means the tarantulas and iguanas are exotic animals. Les migueles et les iguanas, that's nothing but the tarantulas and iguanas are the exotic animal. Okay, I hope still now it's clear. Just quickly recapitulate it and come towards the next one. Les Musées du Quai Branly, the Quai Branly Museum. The Quai Branly Museum, it's nothing but is at Paris. Next one, Les Miguel et les iguanas, that means the tarantulas and iguanas sont des animaux exotic or exotic animals. Next one, next pair of questions. I hope still now if it's clear now, pause the video, write it down, still here, and then go to the next one. Il a mal à la gorge. His throat hurts. His throat hurts. Il prend the pastel. That means his throat hurts. So where should he go? He takes the, where should he go? It's not, in certain case they also mention about the doctor, that he goes to the doctor. Or now in this case we can relate that he takes the tablets. Il prend the pastelet. That means his throat hurts. Il a mal à la gorge. His throat hurts. Il prend the pastelet. That means he takes the tablets. Second one, il ne voit pas de loin. That means he does not see from far. Answer is il doit porter des lunettes. He must wear glasses. Il ne voit pas de loin. That means he does not see from far. Answer is il doit porter des lunettes. He must wear glasses. Third question, je puis parler à la directrice. I can talk to the director. Je puis parler à la directrice. That means I can talk to the director. And the answer is désolé, elle vient de partir. That means sorry, she just left. Je puis parler à la directrice. I can talk to the director. Now the answer is désolé, elle vient de partir. Sorry, she just left. Il permet de taper un texte. That means it allows you to text. A clavier, a keyboard. So it allows you to play. It's basically that a clavier, keyboard. So that's what highlighted over here. So I hope still now the concepts are easy for you, in which you could relate it, and I hope you could have a beautiful experience in this class. Thank you, love you all so much, wishing you the most and more day. And I'm really grateful for all the students who are, after watching my video and they are joined to my classes, really happy for them. I could even help them. Thank you so much. Okay, so now that's all for today's class. For next class, we'll be discussing for the further other means.